Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I will show you how to redeem Roblox gift card codes on mobile. So when you open your Roblox app, you can see right here that you can't actually redeem the gift cards right here. So what are you going to do is go to your Google Chrome and need to search for Roblox Redeem. And then on the first link, tap on Roblox gift cards. And then right here, you need to tap on redeem at the top right of your screen. Now right here, all you need to do is log in your Roblox account. Now once you've done, you will notice the page right here, redeem Roblox code. And here, you can enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. So you just put the code right here and continue to redeem your gift card codes. Now once you've entered the correct code, you will see a message like this, code successfully redeemed. Now it will be added to your balance. So to see your balance right now, go back to your Roblox application. And then as you can see here, the home page, tap the icon beside the search icon and you will see your total balance. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.